Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how to unload and reload the bobbin and flyer. First off is you want to take loose your tension strap so that you can actually mechanically get the flyer and bobbin out of there. You're going to slide this pin out and just let it drape across the front. Now the front end of the flyer is loose and ready to go. On the back end of the flyer is where we have the motor belt and the retainer. And so this is just a magnetic cap that pulls off that easily. And then we take the belt off of the whirl and drape it over the back of the machine. Now, because this rear pillow block tilts a little bit on its rubber bushings, you can see we can actually lift the bobbin up enough that the whole assembly, the flyer and the bobbin all together, can come out. Alright, we make sure that our guides aren't in the way, and we slide the bobbin off. Now you notice the bobbin has one end with 2 whirls and then another end with no whirls. So obviously when you load the bobbin on, you want to start with the end that has no whirls, load it onto the flyer, and then just reverse the order. It helps if you go ahead and put your hand on the pillow block and tilt it back a little bit, because there's not a lot of clearance in that bearing and that axle. They're very tight together, and they're that way on purpose for precision. So insert it in and push it and make sure that it's all the way in as far as it can go. Then you're going to replace your motor drive belt. Make sure that it's still on the motor pinion down at the bottom. And you're going to just start it in the edge of the whirl and rotate the bobbin over and let it click in. Now at this point you want to verify that your belt path is vertical. In other words, that the motor is directly underneath the whirl. And you can adjust it. You can slide the motor mount back and forth to make sure that it's in a nice vertical line. If it's not perfect, it's okay. It could make a little bit of noise if it's off angle. And if it's off angle severely, it could actually throw the belt while you're spinning. So if that ever happens, you know exactly what the problem is. But now that we're done with the back here, we take our retainer cap and we place it on the back of the axle, and you should hear a click when the magnet connects. Alright. Now on the front of the machine, we simply just replace our friction strap. And now we're ready to spin. Alright, thank you very much.